Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another day in my life. Today is 5th of January 2026. Alright, and today is Monday. It's currently morning. I'm going to be making a day in my life video. So, if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Merlin, and I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. I share my wins, losses, and everything on this YouTube channel. So if you are interested in this type of content, do it to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post. Alright, so last week I had about 4 losses. The whole of last week was lost, right? But this week started out very well. I just hit a take profit on Euro CHF. Alright, I just hit a take profit, and I hope the whole of this week will be a blessing also. I'm currently on a trade on BTC, a sell position. BTC is actually bullish, but I won't say I'm trading on sentiment, but I'm on a supply zone that I've marked out since last week, so price just came to that zone, and let's just see how it goes. Maybe it's going to be a win, maybe it will be a loss, I don't know, but let's just see how it turns out to be. Alright, so let me switch up my camera so you can see the trade I currently just hit take profit on, and please do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, so right here is Euro CHF. You can see right here, this is a 1:2 trade. I just hit take profit, and yeah, it's a nice one. I was risking, just because I was on drawdown, I was risking $10 right here, so I made about $22 at this trade. So right now, this is the BTC trade I'm currently at. BTC stop loss is just so big. I used 0.01 lot size, but the stop loss is still big, but I just have to take it anyway. So right here is a trade. As you can see right here, this is the supply zone I'm looking at to buy. The whole trading and the whole structure is bullish. So I'm looking for BTC to come down to this zone right here, this zone right here, before I'll buy, or this zone right at this low. So this is just the 2 trades I'm currently at. But right now I want to go to the gym. When I come back, I'm going to explain more and also show you guys more on the trade we're going to be looking out together. And right here is my Telegram channel. I share even this morning I've shared some signals, crypto, and also forex. So you can see this is my channel. You can click the link on the description to join, and also click the link on the bio to join if you just found the link on the description. Alright, so this is all I'm looking at this morning. When I come back from the gym, we're going to look at more pairs together. So that's all I'm looking at this morning. Right now I'm about going to the gym, so when I come back, we're going to look at some more pairs and also analyze more pairs together and do everything together. Please do it to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. Tell me in the comment section, how was your last week trade? Were you able to make profit? Were you able to make losses? Like I've told you guys before, this year is going to be a prosperous year. This year is going to be massive cash out, massive payout. Alright, so we are locked in, and right now let's go to the gym. I'll catch you guys at the gym. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. Just coming back from the gym. Though I did not do much at the gym today. Today is Monday, I did not do much. I went there and I was having sharp pain at my back, so I just needed to do just 2 exercises and then go get what to eat and then come back. I did not vlog when I was going to get what to eat because my phone battery was a bit slow and I did not carry my power bank. So yeah, we are looking at so many pairs right now. I'm looking at BTC. I'm still on a trade on BTC. I'm also looking at a trade on USD JPY. I'm looking to buy on USD JPY. So please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this YouTube channel. Help me grow this YouTube channel. Alright, so let me show you guys my USD JPY analysis. Okay, let me show you guys. Alright, let me show you guys my USD JPY analysis. Alright, this is USD JPY. I was waiting for price to come down to this zone right here, but price bounce at this point right here, and now I'm looking for it to come down to this zone on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see my risk to reward is 1:2. I'm also looking at US30 on the 4 hour time frame, but US30 is still ranging. It hasn't given us a clear direction yet. It has not given us a clear direction. And for gold tapped on my zone. I was waiting for it to come to this zone, but it did not. It tapped on this zone, and now it has changed. It has given us a change of character. I'm also expecting gold to do something like this before continuing the buy. Yeah, these are all I'm looking at for on gold today. And also Euro USD, we had a stop loss last week right here, and I'm waiting for it down below this zone. Alright, I'm waiting for it down below this zone. But right now on the 4 hour time frame, we've gotten a change of character. Right here. If you look right here, we had the inducement being taken out, a breakout structure, and a clear inducement giving us a breakout structure. So right here is a clear change of character for me. I don't know what's wrong with this, but this is a clear change of character for me. Alright, but we haven't confirmed that yes, price is willing to go down. Before we can confirm, we need to see a valid inducement, but no inducement yet. It's just a change of market direction. But right here is a demand zone that I'm waiting to buy from. Alright, these are the pairs I'm looking out for on Euro USD, and this is the BTC trade that I'm currently at. This is it, and it's running in minus. You just hope it go in profit, but anything that happens, that's it. You just have to wait for it to play out. I'm also on a trade on LTC USDT. This is a crypto pair. I'm on a trade on LTC right here, and it's running in a little profit with the Telegram channel. Alright, you can see my Telegram channel right here also. You can click the link on the description to join my Telegram channel right here. Alright, so that's all for the today analysis. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so today is actually Monday. We are hoping for a good week actually. Hopefully this week should be a good and nice week for us all. So I see a lot of comments, people saying I should focus on this and focus on that. I really do appreciate your concern, but I want to tell you all one thing. Everybody sees different thing in the market, all right, and everybody must lose. It's a must that you must lose. It doesn't, no matter how careful you are, you must lose. Now you need to understand that everybody sees different thing in the market. I might be seeing buy, you might be seeing sell. I might be seeing sell, you might be seeing buy. I might not be seeing opportunity at all. I might be seeing a ranging market, you might be seeing an opportunity for you to enter. All right, everybody has his own perspective, or let me say checkbook for him or her entering the particular market. For the fact that I enter a trade and it's running a loss and you're telling me I should be stopped out by now, no, it's your opinion. So tell me in the comment section, how was last week for you, or how was your trading for the last week? Did you make profit? Did you make loss? For me, I made loss last week. Hopefully this week is going to be a good week. All right, if I should lose this week, that means I've blown that account. I'll be needing to get another account, and I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it, guys. I'm ready for it. I told you all, this year we are fully locked in. We are going in all. We are giving it all our best. All right, I've used this strategy so many times, and I've withdrawn from Prop's account so many times with this same strategy. So it's not a new thing. It might not be working now, but it will surely work with consistency, refinement, and persistency. So that's just it. So today is Monday, hopefully, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Hopefully it's gonna be a handsome week. I've told you all this year, just stay locked in, believe in God, trust in God, believe in yourself, keep it going, have the dream, but also put in the work required to actually achieve those goals. All right, I know God will see us all through, and yeah, that's just it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell. Tell me in the comment section, how was your trading last week? Did you make money? If no, just drop it in the comment section. If yes, also drop it in the comment section. If you have any advice on anything, just also drop it in the comment section. I'm open to hearing you guys' opinion, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.